Hello, this is a brief introduction to Kotlin part 4. We continue to talk about strings. In this video we will go through a real example where is used function filter. And in this example, let's say is a system where it requires that password should contain at least 4 digits. And for this case, let's say we declare here some random password where is contains also digits, and then we declare a string, and then what we are doing is that we are applying a function filter on that password string. And here, as you remember probably from the previous videos, that it in this case it refers to characters or of that string. So in this case we use it, that reference, and then we are applying the function isDigit to that character. And what is isDigit is function is just simply it defines that is that character digit or not. So in case of digit it returns true and otherwise false. So therefore the function filter will filter out all cases where isDigit returns false. So when it returns true, which means that that character of string is digit, so it will be eventually it will be in the s digits. So we will get a string where it will be all digits of from that password. So and then to find out how many digits are in this s password string, we have to simply check the length of that string. So if it's less than 4, so we are informing the user that password must contain at least 4 digits. So that's the task. Let's see, we can check it in the JetBrains IDE. And let's say we have password, and then we can choose some random letters and digits, and then we declare another string. Let's say call it string, and we actually can initialize it straight same time when we declare it. So we can use string password and apply filter, and here we should define the condition. So it, as you see, it's showing what is it. It's referring to characters of the string which we are applying function filter, and then we can use default function isDigit, which is included in Kotlin, but also we can use another case is in, and then we should say in which scope it can be. For example, if we want digits from 0 to 9, so any decimal digit, if it means that if it is inside of this set of digit characters, then this expression will be true and otherwise false. So it will work the same way as isDigit was working. So we will get the same result. And then now we will ask that first to check length of that string, and ask the user to to create new password if it's not enough digits. New password will be at least 4 digits. So we can then just print that the password must contain at least 4 digits. So that's that. Let's check how it works. Let's run the program. Okay, so it didn't return anything because the number of digits are more than 4. So it's we can also actually we can continue this with inform the user, for example, that password is correct. So let's run again. So we should get password is correct. So let's reduce now numbers. So we remove digits from the password, so we have only 2 digits, and then checking, running again, and as you see it, the password must contain at least 4 digits. So in this case we've got that case when the length of string was less than 4, which means that there is actually the length was exactly 2. So we've got message for the user that password must contain at least 4 digits. Thank you for watching this video. Next video we will go through cycles and conditions in the Kotlin.